Hello everyone, welcome back to Kalparuksha classes. Here is one more mathematics model question paper 2022, and this question paper is designed by Chitti Creations. Many students will be sending these question papers. Alright, already the MCQs and 1 mark question and 2 mark question, already these things from 5 question papers are getting over. This is completely done from 5 question papers, and this is also done completely from 5 question papers, and 4 videos are done, and this is the 5th video of 2 marks. Alright, I'm insisting all of you to refer to the question papers. Alright, so 80-mark question papers you must be referring, then only you will get some idea about the nature of questions. And in this I'll be solving 3 mark as well as 4 mark questions also from 5 question papers. All the MCQs 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark and 4 mark are our target. 5 question papers, so that you become very perfect and you get 80 out of 80 in your board exams. Alright, then let us get started with the questions here. Here is the first question. Solve x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Are they saying any quadratic formula method or factorization method? They are not saying anything. So that's why if they are not saying, means you can do it by any method, by prime factorization or by using the formula. Whichever method you want, you can use. Now here I will use prime factorization as it is very easy. Now look at this, x square coefficient is 1, then 1 into 2 is 2. And what are the factors of 2? 1 comma 2. Now look at this, 3 is there, 1 plus 2 is 3, then 1 into 2 is 2 only. So that's why I will write it as x square plus you can write it as 2x, 3x can be written as 2x plus 1x means x only, then plus 2 is equal to 0. Now from this starting two terms you can take x common. If you take x common, x remains, then plus 2, and here also you can take it as x plus 2, then it becomes plus 1 which is equal to 0. Alright, so it becomes x plus 1 into x plus 2 which is equal to 0. Therefore we will have x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we will have x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 2. If you want, you can do it by using the quadratic formula also. Then also you are going to get the same answers. Alright, moving forward to the next question. Now here is the question. Solve 3x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus 2y is equal to 4. So here are the two equations given. The first equation is 3x minus y is equal to 5. Let me call it as equation number 1. Similarly, second equation is x plus 2y is equal to 4. So let us call it as equation number 2. Alright, so here look at this, here 3x is there, here x is there, you can multiply with 3 and you can multiply with 1. Otherwise y is there and 2y is there, you can multiply with 2 also. So look at this, if you multiply with 2, y into 2 it becomes 2y, and here you can multiply with 1. So how much it becomes? 3x into 2 becomes 6x, minus y into 2 becomes minus 2y, and that is equal to 5 into 2 is 10. Then similarly x into 1 is x, then 2y into 1 is 2y, and that is equal to 4. Alright, now look at this, minus 2 and plus 2y, they get cancelled, and 6x plus x is 7x, and that is equal to 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are, and we get the value of x as 2. So let us call it as equation number 3. Now I am going to put this equation number 3 in equation number 1. So what is the equation number 1? That is 3x minus y is equal to 5. Alright, so 3 into x is 2, then minus y is equal to 5. 3 into 2 is a 6. 6 minus y is equal to 5. Then it becomes 6 minus 5 is equal to y. So I am bringing this 5 this side minus, and minus y that side plus y. So y is equal to 1. So these are the two solutions. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Alright, moving forward to the next question. Here is 19th question. If an is equal to 5n minus 2, then find its common difference. Alright, so what is the given thing here? So an is equal to 5n minus 2. Let us find out first term. A1 is equal to 5 into 1 minus 2. That is equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Similarly, second term a2 is equal to 5 into 2 minus 2, and it becomes 10 minus 2, that is equal to 8. Now common difference they are asking, common difference is equal to second term minus first term. Second term is 8 minus first term is 3, and the common difference becomes 5. Alright, moving forward to the next question. Evaluate 1 minus cot square 45 degree divided by 1 plus sin square 90 degree. Look at this, let us write that 1 minus cot square 45 degree divided by 1 plus sin square 90 degree. So 1 minus, what is cot 45? Cot 45 is 1, so 1 square divided by 1 plus sin 90 is again 1 square. So you have to remember these ratios. Alright, so it becomes 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so 0 by 2. So 0 by 2 is nothing but 0 only. Alright, so moving forward to the next question. So here is 21st question. ABC is an isosceles right triangle. ABC, look at this. ABC is isosceles right triangle, right angled at C. So at C it is right angled. Now prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. AB square is equal to 2AC square. Now if you observe very carefully, don't you think these are equal? These should be equal, no? So let me write. So in the solution, in triangle, in a right triangle ABC, what can I write is AC is equal to CB, because it is given, because they are isosceles. Alright, by applying Pythagoras theorem, so we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, so what will you get? You will get AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square, that is known to you. Now they want us to show that AB square is equal to 2AC square. So now for that, what we will do now? We'll write AB square is equal to now 2AC square, right? So AC square will just write it plus CB. Look at this CB. CB means what? AC only. So we'll write it AC square only. So we'll give the reason from given. Alright. So now what it becomes? It becomes AB square is equal to 2AC square. That's it. Over. Proved. This is what they wanted, no? So that's why we proved it. Now coming to the option question, look at this. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 meter more than the twice of the shortest side. Alright, there is a right triangle for sure, that is known to us. There is a right triangle like this. Alright, let us draw this right triangle. So here is a right triangle what we have got, and let us name it as ABC, and this is 90 degree. Let this BC is X, and let us call this as the shortest side. What is this? This is the shortest side. And what they are saying the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 more than the twice of the shortest side. I mean, whatever hypotenuse is there, no? So this is hypotenuse. This is 6 more than twice of the shortest side. So twice of the shortest side is 2x, and 6 more means plus 6. Alright, so AC is equal to 2x plus 6 we got. Now similarly, what they are saying, if the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, I mean third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse means how to write that? Here is the hypotenuse, that is 2x plus 6, and it is 2 meter less means minus 2. So how much it becomes? It becomes 2x plus 4. Alright, if you are getting confused, you can write AB is equal to 2x plus 4 meter. Alright, and similarly BC is equal to x meter, and AC is equal to 2x plus 6 meter. And what they are asking us to find sides of the triangle. Sides of the triangle will get if we know, if we get to know the value of x. Alright, let us use Pythagoras theorem. By applying the Pythagoras theorem, what we are going to get? We know that Pythagoras theorem says square of the hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. Alright, so what is this AC square? AC square is 2x plus 6 whole square is equal to what is AB square? AB square is 2x plus 4 whole square. Alright, plus BC square is x square. Alright, so let us expand this. So if you expand, what you are going to get here? It is a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab is 2 into 2x into 6 is equal to, again it is a plus b whole square, that is a 2x whole square, plus b square is 4 square, plus 2ab is 2 into 2x into 4 plus x square. Alright, here this 2x square they get cancelled, and 6 square is 36, plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 6 is 24. So 24x is equal to 4 square is 16, plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16, 16x plus x square. Alright, now x square is remaining there. Let us send all these terms that side. So it becomes 16 plus 16x plus x square plus 30, not plus, it is minus, no, minus 36 minus 24x is equal to 0. I hope you are understanding the calculation. Now look at this, how many x square are there? Only one x square is there. Let us write that first, x square. So it becomes x square here. Now look at this, 16x minus 24x. How much it becomes? Don't you think it becomes minus 8x? Because 24 minus 16 is 8 minus 8x. Then afterwards 16 and minus 36 are there. So it becomes minus 20, which is equal to 0. Alright, I hope the calculations are quite clear. Now 1 into 20 you have to do. So you will get 20. What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, then afterwards 10, 20. Now in this you have to choose two numbers whose sum is minus 8 and whose product is minus 20. Don't you think it becomes minus 10 plus 2? Minus 10 plus 2 means minus 8, and minus 10 into 2 is minus 20. So let us write down that. So it becomes x square minus 10x plus 2x minus 20 is equal to 0. Alright, so I am running out of space here. Let us make use of the space available here. So how to do this? Otherwise let me do it here so that I can do this construction also. Let me do it here. So for time being, let us keep this question down so that we carry forward the calculation here. So how to do this? Tell me. So this is going to be, in the starting two terms you are going to take x common, and in bracket x minus 10, and similarly here also x minus 10, and we are going to write a plus 2 here, and which is equal to 0. So we'll write it as a x plus 2 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. Alright, so it becomes x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 10 is equal to 0, and we are going to get x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 10, and we are going to neglect this x is equal to minus 2. Neglect it. Why we are neglecting? Because it cannot be there in minus, and we are going to consider this one. Alright, so now they are asking about the sides of the triangle, no? So how we are going to write about sides of the triangle? The sides of the triangle I am going to write here. So that's why sides of triangle. First one is AB, right? So let me write AB. So what is the value of AB? Look at this. AB is nothing but 2x plus 4. So it becomes AB is equal to 2x plus 4, which is equal to 2 into x is 10 plus 4, and which is equal to 2 into 10 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Alright, similarly BC is nothing but x only. Directly BC we have taken it as x. Look at this, BC is x, and x is nothing but 10. So it becomes 10 meter, and this is also 10 meter. And similarly we have AC. AC is equal to how much is that? 2x plus 6. Look at this. AC value 2x plus 6. So we are going to have it as 2 into x is 10, then plus 6. So it becomes 20 plus 6 is 26 meter. So the value of AC is 26 meter. Alright, fine. So these are the first side, second side, and third sides of the triangle. You will be having enough space in the examination. Already I had a lot of space, but that got over. That's okay. Anyway, you got to know about the nature of the question. Now coming to this question, look at this 22nd question. Otherwise, let us take this 23rd question below. 22nd question, you understand this, no? Draw a line segment of length 5 centimeter. Using compasses and ruler, find a point P on it, which divides it in the ratio 2:5. So this is quite a simple question. Already I have solved it in the 4 question papers. Wherever it is possible I have solved it, but still I am giving you inputs. You can learn from these inputs. First of all, you have to take a line segment of length 5 centimeter, right? So take a line segment like this. which is having 5 centimeter length. So let us name it as AB. It is having 5 centimeter length. Now by using the compass, you have to divide it in the ratio 2 ratio to 5. 2 ratio to 5 means, you understand, no? 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 parts. Alright, so you draw an acute angle here. Draw an acute angle here. So here is the acute angle. Alright, now by keeping the compass needle of that compass here, you mark 7 points. First point, second point, third point, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh, and name them as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Do it yourself. Dear students, you have to do it on your own. Alright, then afterwards you join A7 to B, you join it. Alright, once you have joined it, now take arc and keep the needle here and take an arc here. Alright, you got an arc. Now don't change the compass. You take the same value and come to A2, and here also you draw the arc like this. Same arc, whatever you have drawn. You keep the needle here because 2 ratio to 5 is there. No? You keep the needle and draw an arc. Now measure this angle, needle here and pencil here. Okay, you will measure this, and with the same measurement of this, you are going to keep the needle here and you are going to cut here. Alright, so after that you are going to join this A2 through this intersection and you are going to get the point P. AP is 2 parts and PB is 5 parts. So you are going to write AP ratio to PB is equal to 2 ratio to 5. So this is the construction what we have. Quite a simple thing. Moving forward to the 23rd question. I think 24th question is also hiding below this. So let us take it below. So that 23rd question we can solve, then we can go back to the 24th question. Alright, so what is this 23rd question? Find the distance between the points, 2 points, 0, minus 3 and 4, 0. Very simple question. Alright, so how to do it? Let us call this point as A and this as B. The first point is a 0, minus 3 and second point is 4, 0. Alright, and let us call this as a x1, y1 and this as a x2, y2. Now, AB is equal to, what is the formula? AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Alright, so under root x2 minus x1 whole square is 4 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is 0 minus of minus 3 whole square. Alright, so it becomes under root 4 square plus 0 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So it becomes ultimately 3, right? 0 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3 only, 3 square. So it becomes under root 16 plus 9. Under root 16 plus 9 is under root 25. So under root 25 is 5 units. So this is the distance. Alright, moving forward to the next question. This is the last question. The diameter of the base of the right circular cylinder is 14 centimeter. So diameter is going to be 14 centimeter. That means the radius will be 14 by 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are, and radius is 7 centimeter. Alright, and its height is 10 centimeter. So height value is 10 centimeter. Now what they're asking us to find volume, find its volume. So whatever volume is there, we have to find it out. So volume of cylinder, this is a cylinder, right? See here, it is a right circular cylinder. So volume is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square h. Alright, so what is the value of pi? Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into r square is 7 into 7 into h is going to be 10. So 7 and 7 they get cancelled. 22 7s are 154. Alright, otherwise you can do it reverse also. 7 2s are 14, 1 is the carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 and 0. So all are in centimeter, so that's why volume becomes in centimeter cube. Alright, so these are the type of questions from your question paper. In every video I am mentioning the target is 5 question papers, and from that MCQs and 1 mark question, 2 mark question. These are complete now. So whatever I am marking red, these are completed. And now the target is 3 mark and 4 mark from these 5 question papers, so that you score 80 out of 80 in your board exam. Alright then. Thank you very much. Have a good day and bye-bye.